is MJ, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the moss stitch. This is a really nice stitch that sort of has a woven look. So I'm going to be using Sugarbush Yarns Chill, and today I'm working with Plum Frost. And this is a super bulky weight 6, a really heavy plush merino wool. And I'm using a 9mm crochet hook, and this is a Susan Bates Crystallite hook. So I'm going to begin by chaining 11. And now we'll work 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So here we're not counting the loop on the hook. So there's 1, 2. So push down through the stitch, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And now we'll chain 1. So we won't work into the next chain, we'll skip and work into the next. Yarn over, pulling through 2, and chain 1. We'll skip the next chain and work 1 single crochet into the next. So pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. And we'll chain 1. Skip the next chain, work 1 single crochet in the next, yarn over, pull through, and chain 1. Skip the next chain, work 1 single crochet in the next, and work 1 single crochet in the final stitch. And then we'll turn. And chain 1. We'll work 1 single crochet in the very first stitch, so you can see our stitches as we turn. Here's our first, so our chain 1 does not count as a stitch. We'll chain 1, and then we're skipping over this single crochet. Here now, this big hole here is our chain 1 space. And we'll work 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space. Pull up a loop, pull through. Chain 1, and that will take us over our next single crochet to our next chain 1 space right here. So we'll work a single crochet in the next chain 1 space. And chain 1, work a single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, and 1 single crochet in the next chain 1 space. And then here's our last single crochet, and we'll work a single crochet stitch and turn. And then we just repeat the same as what we did with our last row. So we chain 1, we'll work a single crochet into that first stitch, chain 1, skip over the single crochet from the previous row, and work a single crochet in the chain 1 space. And if you want even a tighter woven look, just using a smaller hook. Here we are single crocheting in that last stitch. So every row we're ending with 2 single crochet so that we can complete our pattern. And turn, chain 1, and then we just repeat again. Chain 1. So we're always chaining 1 to go over the single crochet, and always doing now our single crochet in the chain 1 spaces. And this is a fairly loose stitch with this hook, but you can get some really great looks with a smaller hook and using worsted weight or even finer yarn. It gives a really nice woven look. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.